PC software and hardware installation process. Go to our website biosignalsedu.com. Open the training menu on the top right corner. Click on Software Download. Pay attention that the zip file bf-setup.zip is downloading to your PC. Open the zipped file. Run the bf-setup.exe program to install the software onto your PC. Press the Install button and don't change the destination folder. When you get to the driver setup window, press the Install button within this window. Confirm that you are getting the message, the drive is successfully pre-installed in advance, and press the OK button. Close the driver setup window. Two different software programs were installed on your PC, the Signals Checking software and the Signals Transmitting software. You can see two new icons on your desktop, a green circle icon with the name BFA Monitor, this is the transmission software, and a blue text icon with the name BFA Read Signals, this is the Signals Checking software. These two software programs cannot run together at the same time, as only one can connect to the hardware kit at a time. You need to drag the green icon of the BFA monitor to the row of icons housed at the bottom of your screen. Run the BFA monitor transmission software by clicking once on the icon in the bottom row of icons. Drag the green icon from the right Hidden Icons area to the row of icons housed at the right bottom of your screen. Exit from the BFA monitor transmission software as you run it for dragging the icon to the row of icons. Connect the hardware box with the USB cable to your PC and wait for the driver that will automatically be installed to make the connection between the box and the PC. Checking the sensor's signal quality. Disconnect the box if it is connected to the PC and plug in the sensors to the box. Connect the plug of the heart sensor that has a Velcro strip to the correct socket. Connect the plug of the GSR sensor that has two electrodes to the correct socket. Reconnect the box to the PC with the USB cable. Insert your 3 fingers into the 2 sensors exactly as shown. Put your palm with fingers attached to sensors into a relaxed position on the table near the PC and don't move your hand and fingers. You are ready to check the sensor's signal quality. Run the BFA Read Signals by clicking the blue text icon on your PC desktop. When the software opens, pay attention to see that the port exists in the COM port field. Uncheck the Track BVP checkbox and uncheck the Calculate HRV/IBI online checkbox. Press on the Start button. Wait until you see the hardware kit details displayed on the top frame of the window. Check the Track BVP checkbox and watch the chart with the red line on the screen. It should look like this. Check the Track GSR checkbox and watch the chart with the green line on the screen. It should look like this. Check the Track BPHEG checkbox and watch the chart with the purple line on the screen. It should look like this. If any of the line charts do not look the same way as here, you need to fix the problem. After you have confirmed that the three signals look the same, you know how to connect yourself to the hardware and the sensors in a way that will mean signals quality will be successful. You now need to close this software. You can't leave this software running while doing the training. How to do the daily training procedure on a PC. Go to our website biosignalsedu.com. Open the training menu on the top and click on Training. As a result, you will see a new login page. Connect the box to the PC via the same USB socket that you connected when you installed the software. Connect your 3 fingers to the 2 sensors as you already know. Put your palm with the sensors in a relaxed position on the table near the PC and don't move your hands and fingers. Type in the unique email address that you got from us on the login row and type in your password on the lower row. Then click the login button. In this example, you can see the message to the first training, new customer before starting the training. As a result, you will get a new page with instructions and explanations about what you need to do in the next 10 minutes of training. Please read, listen, or watch carefully for the instructions. Only after you will fully understand your mission for the next 10 minutes, you can start the training. Click on the green icon in Icons row at the bottom of your screen to execute the Signals transmission software. Wait for the transmission software login screen. Type the same unique email address and the same password, then click the login button. As a result, within a few seconds, you will get a new training page and you will need to do as the previous instructions for the next 10 minutes. Pay attention that you can see the blinking green and blue icon on the lower right side of the screen. This is a sign that the transmission software transmits the signals to the server. In a case that the blinking icon is not blinking in the green and blue colors, this is a sign that you have internet connection problems. In a case that the blinking icons is in red color, this is a sign that you have problems with the sensor signals quality. Read the error message and fix the problem. Type in the unique email address that you got from us on the login row and type in your password on the lower row. In this example, you can see the message to the VR training before starting the VR training. As a result, within a few seconds, you will get a new training page and you will need to do as the previous instructions for the next 10 minutes. As you can see, you have 360 degrees environment. You see the signals on the screen. You see the timer on the screen. You see messages and you see different objects on the screen. Your mission is to make the Iron Man to dance all the time. When 10 to 20 minutes have passed from the moment you started the training, the signals transmission software will stop automatically and you will get a new page with the training length confirmation.